Greetings to you all. Today I will be reviewing this in-demand product called PDF flipping. Here are a few reasons why I believe you will like this: simplicity, speed, and structure, and proven results and low barrier to entry. This 3-day live masterclass will give you a clear, repeatable method to start flipping PDFs for profit using AI and automation. They'll leave with a fully set up system and ready to sell products. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche or use our done-for-you PDF products. Step 2. Apply the 550 strategy plus AI tools to flip and profit within 48 hours. Step 3. Use our automation tools to sell, market, and scale without burnout. No guesswork. No tech headaches. Just a repeatable flipping system that works fast and keeps on working. If PDF flipping sounds like something you would like to learn about and make good money, I encourage you to click the link in the description to check it out. There you have it, folks, another awesome product released to anyone who may want to make money. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.